Blow it at me, bro. Here, take the camera. It's on. Yo, what is up, guys? We're back with another video. I accidentally edited the video, but this is 6 minutes.
Blow it at me, bro.
You have a camera different. It's on you, Jace.
Oh, sorry, guys. Blow it at me now, bro. Oh wait, now it's going this way. Going this way. Going this way. Blow it at me, bro. Wait, the wind. It's going this way. Bro, it's like. Okay, go this. No.
My buddy. It does not smell good, Jace. How's the camera angle?
Oh my God, my eyes, bro.
What happens if I?
Oh, it's yellow. Oh, so this is like yellow smoke. This is yellow, bro. Oh my God, bro. Just aim it up, bro.
Hey!
Woo! We from the United Kingdom. Oh my God, he's watching us.
It looks like fun, guys.
It is fun. It's 6 minutes long. Now let me hold it now, and you hold the camera.
This stuff stinks. All right, guys, we're gonna transition to the next.
Get some of that smoke, y'all.
To the next fireworks since it's 6 minutes. Bye.